Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We are doing a wig install on a 360 wig, and I also have a little surprise for you guys in this video. Well, it's not really a surprise. We are doing a Love Me hair giveaway, but stay tuned, watch the video to get all the info on how you can enter. Now, the wig that I'm rocking in today's video, it's from Love Me Hair, and I have actually worn their wigs quite a few times, but this is my very first time actually wearing one of their 360 wigs. So this is pretty much what the packaging looks like. This is everything that comes inside. You get yourself 2 HD wig caps. We love us some HD wig caps, especially if you're going to be wearing HD wigs. You need that. And we have a melting band, and also this. Okay, I'm sorry guys, I don't know what this thing is called, but you guys can tell me in the comment. But I do know what it's for, and I've tried it before, but it's not really for me. But anyways, this is what the wig looks like. As you can see, the knots are already bleached because I did bleach them already, and I already washed the hair. I kind of lost the original clip of what the wig looks like straight out the box, and I apologize for that. But this is a body wave texture HD lace 360 wig. If you are a beginner, you're probably wondering what is a 360. So basically a 360 laces is when the lace goes all the way around and you're able to put it up in a ponytail. So most of the wigs that I wear, they're just lace frontal. They're not 360 wigs, so I'm not able to put them up in a high ponytail. But with this kind of wig, you're able to do so. So it's more versatile. Now, like I mentioned before, I already bleached and tweezed the hair. So this is what the texture of the hair is looking like just washed, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I love the texture of this hair. It's nice and curly, but the curls are not super tight, and you can straighten this hair out if you like. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start installing this wig. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I already have the wig cap on, and I'm trying to cut the wig cap off using a razor, but no, it's enough for me. So I'm gonna go in with the scissors and cut away all that extra cap. Now I will be using glue, so because I'm using glue, I'm using a skin protector on my forehead area. I'm using my Sticky Little Secret skin protector, and then I'm going to go in with some foundation and just apply it on my wig cap just to kind of cover my hair. Now I am cutting away the lace on the back, and I'm sorry if I wasn't able to show that properly, but I just popped the wig on my head and it's looking cute. So I'm going to go ahead and cut away all the extra lace on the side of the wig, and then I'm going to go ahead and use my Sticky Little Secret lace glue. So you want to apply the skin protector before you apply the lace glue, and this is just going to enhance the wear of your wigs. It's going to give you a longer lasting wig, and it's just going to protect your skin as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and pop that down. You want to wait until it dries clear. So I like to use 2 layers of glue. This will last me for about a week. You can add more layer of glue depending if you're someone who sweats a lot or your skin's oily. You can add up to 5 layers of glue. And when it comes to melting down the glue, you always want to dry it on a cool setting. Never hot, always cool setting. This is really going to dry that glue down. And I'm doing the double melt method, so I tie the elastic band around my forehead. You guys, I forgot they sent me a melting band. I could not find it for the life of me, so I had to use my little, well, it's not even a melting band, but it's an elastic band. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut away all the extra lace, and I'm using tinting spray instead of foundation to tint my lace, because honestly I find that foundation, there's oil in the foundation and it's just gonna lift the glue up. If you want your wig to have a longer wear time, it's better to use a tinting spray than to actually use foundation. And now to melt the lace down, I'm going in with some melting spray. I actually sprayed it on my finger, and then I'm going to go ahead and tap that onto the edges of the lace. This is just going to give my lace a really seamless and flawless finish, and I go in with the blow dryer on the cool setting. I'm also going to apply my wig band, and I'm going to leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes. And honey, when I tell you the melting spray always gets me all the way together, she is melted. She's melted in 4K. We're melted. So I have to do a quick little interruption, and I'm sorry, but you guys, we are doing a giveaway. We are partnering up with Love Me Hair today and bringing you guys this giveaway, and 2 lucky subscribers will be winning a bob wig from Love Me Hair. To enter this giveaway, all you have to do is simply just be a subscriber to my channel, comment down below something regarding Love Me Hair, and whichever comment has the most like will be the winner of the giveaway. And also, please leave your Instagram handle in the comment section. That way you can be notified. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take out some little baby hairs. Now, you guys know I'm not super big on baby hairs, but when it comes to like curly hair, like I actually really like baby hairs on curly hair, but I'm gonna still keep them subtle because I don't think I look that good with like, you know, crazy baby hairs. But I don't mean to say crazy, but you guys know what I mean. Like I don't think I look good with like, you know, super extra baby hair, but I think I can work with a little. So I'm happy with this. It suits me. So now, girl, I was just feeling this wig because I was really loving the texture of this hair. Like it was giving me some kind of life. Now, even though I love the loose curls, the curls in the front were a little bit on the frizzier side because I did brush the front out when I was applying the wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some curls in it, and I'm using my little beat up curling one. I know she's a little beat up, okay, but she gets the job done. So I'm just gonna apply this on my hair and just wrap my hair around it, and I'm literally just doing the front and the sides because the back is still nicely curled, and I am really loving the curling one. It's been a while since I actually did a curling one curl, and this is how it's looking. I absolutely love the texture of this hair. I love it, and the lace looks amazing. But yeah, this is pretty much how it looks down, and I'm gonna put this hair up now, you guys, so you guys can see what it looks like. I'm just gonna be doing a messy bun, nothing too fancy. I probably should have put it up first before I curled it, but anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hair up. And like I said, I'm just doing a messy bun, nothing fancy. Now, as for 360 wigs, you can glue down the back. However, it's kind of hard to do that on your own, so you need a bit of assistance. That's why I didn't do it. But I'm gonna cut some little tiny hair off in the back just to hide any kind of lace that would possibly be seen. And I'm just going to use a bobby pin and just pin this bun into place. And this is pretty much what the bun looks like. So it's a super messy bun, nothing too tight, and this is how it's looking in the front. And of course, I got to give you guys a view of the back. This is how she's looking in the back. This is pretty much how it looks in the back. I have some bobby pins to secure it in the back as well. But yeah, that's how the messy bun looks, and this is how it looks down. Let me know what you guys think of it. I personally love a nice versatile wig that I can wear down or up. But yeah, I would love to glue down a 360 or a full lace, but I need some assistance to do that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the hair info on Luvme Hair will be in the description box down below, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. I love you guys. Bye. Thank you for watching.